26 contestants left. Entertain me, I can't do anything nice. What's that supposed to mean? I'm out of ideas, okay? Also. Ah! What the fuck was that? He's scared of that. Who can be scared of this sound? I have one. Yay! I have an idea. Guess what? What? Chicken butt. You win! Are you okay? You team win. Alright, you guys picked in numbers between 400 and 475. 456. 473. We got 215,688. You're the first one safe at 3,404. You got 3,496. And you got 4,174. You got 4,990. You got 6,240. You got 6,768. You got 8,661. 17,795. You got 19,225. 19,855. 21,064. And you're the final contestant safe at 29,812. Final two. Honda Civic Type R, you got 33,702. And you got 36,502, which is 2,800 more votes. Why me? You know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna put you up for elimination as well, so we could get to 24. Why? So the next episode we'll have 2 double eliminations. And that means we're at our final 20, and one of the yellows will rejoin again. Why? Because I fucking can, bitch. Pick 3 numbers between 50... Actually, fuck that. 40 and 99. You know what? Fuck that. 40 and 120. 119. 68. 46. We got 372,232. You two are the first contestants safe at 5,412 and 5,632. You got 6,118. You got 7,045. You got 12,348. 13,356. 18,223. 30,409. 32,736. And you're the final contestant safe at 46,946. Fuck. You got 46,966. Final 2. Honda E, you got 96,920. Peter Truck, you got 97,067. That's only 147 more votes. There's only 24 contestants left.